Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This is the video for students of class 2. Subject is science. Our today's thought is do what is right, not what is easy. So whenever you are trying to do something, whenever you are beginning to do something, don't see whether it is easy or hard. Just see whether it is right or wrong. Just decide on the basis of that. If it is right, then do it. Even if it is hard, doesn't matter. But it should be right. Never do wrong thing, because wrong things are easier. But you should not do it. You should always do the right things, even if the right things are difficult. These are the instructions I will repeat in front of you every day so that you can keep it in mind all the time. Early to bed and early to rise. Brush your teeth twice a day. Wash your hands before and after you eat. Avoid junk food. Exercise regularly. Take bath every day. Go to school on time. So as of now you are sitting at home as the schools are closed. So you have to just watch the videos on time and be attentive in the classroom. So which is your classroom now? The mobile phone, the video which you are watching, you should watch it very carefully. Without doing any other work, you should carefully watch the video. In our today's video, we are not going to study anything from our textbook. We will just have some fun exercises today. As we have just completed the exam, so we'll be relaxing for one day. We will solve some puzzle and the fun exercises. We will solve some riddles which will interest you, I'm sure, and we will solve some really interesting worksheets as well. And finally we will learn about some fun facts, the facts that you should know that will increase your general knowledge. All that facts we will learn. So puzzle, riddles, worksheets and fun facts. Let us begin and let's have some fun for today. See, this is the first game. For this game, you have to sit with your rough book and pencil ready. I hope you are sitting with your rough book and pencil ready in your hand. Then only we can play this game. You will have to write the word and you will get the time of 10 seconds. Then you will have to check whether your answer was right or wrong. And after completing the video, after finishing the video, you can just drop me a message that how many answers were correct and how many were wrong. Right? So let us play this game. See, what do you have to do? See these images. Can you see over here? All the images are there. Right? This is cow, owl, apple, lemon. So, what do you have to do? You have to write the first letter. You just have to write the first letter of the animal's name or the fruit's name, whatever is given. Only the first letter you have to write. See, here it is cow, C-O-W, cow. So what is the first alphabet? C. Owl, O-W-L, owl. What is the first alphabet? O. Apple, A-P-P-L-E, apple. The first alphabet is A. Lemon, L-E-M-O-N, lemon. What is the first alphabet? L. So we wrote first alphabets of all these four words. And which word we made? C-O-A-L, coal. So that is the game. You have to identify what is this. And you have to write the names. The first alphabet you have to write. Only the first one. Right? So let us start this game. Let us see how many of you get the correct answers. So here you have to write the first alphabet for this, then first alphabet for this, then number 3 and 4. You have 10 seconds. Think about it. I will give you one hint. See, this is ink. So here I will write the first alphabet I, because I for ink. The first alphabet is I. Now here you have to write it yourself. What is the first alphabet for this? What is the first alphabet for this word? And what is the first alphabet for this word? So, 10 seconds you have. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here R for rose. Let us write R. It is R for rose. Then this is orange. So for orange what do we write? O. O for orange. And here it is neem. See, neem plant. So what do we write? N. N for neem. So what is the word? Let us write that complete word in the blank. I-R-O-N. Iron. I-R-O-N. Iron. So I hope all of you got it correct. Then let us see number 3. Now again I'll give you 10 seconds. Right? Just 10 seconds you have. You have to think about these 4 letters and make the word. But here I am not going to give you any hint. I am not going to write the first alphabet for you. Just 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go. So here this is tree. So for tree what do we write? T. T for tree. Then this is avocado. For avocado what do we write? A. The first alphabet. Avocado. And then you know this animal very well. Lion. For lion we write L over here. And the last one, cat. So for cat, which alphabet? C. C for cat. So what is the word? T-A-L-C. Talc. You have learnt about this word, right? T-A-L-C. Talc. And it is used for making talcum powder. Then the next 4 letters, you have to find out the 4 alphabets. 10 seconds again I'll give you. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So here for this word is ring. What do we write over there? R. R for ring. Then here it is umbrella. For umbrella you write U. Then next we have is balloon. So for balloon we write B. B for balloon. Then last one. Here is yellow. For yellow color what do we write? Y. Y for yellow. So what is the word? R-U-B-Y. Ruby. We have also learnt about it. It is used for making jewelries. R-U-B-Y. Ruby. Next, see the 4 letters. Try to identify which 4 letters are this. Let us identify. See, 10 seconds. Again, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So here, what image is this? See, this is the image of a dog. So for that we write D over here for dog. Then here is unicorn. See, 1 horn it has. 1 horn horse. Unicorn it is. So we write U. Then the image of sun. Sun for sun. Which alphabet? S. S for sun we write over here. And the next we have table. For table, which one? Which alphabet will you write? T. We write T for table over here. Now we have got the word. What word have we made? So this word has become dust. D-U-S-T. Dust. D-U-S-T. Dust. Next. Now we have 3. What do we have? three images we have. So here I will only give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So this is snake. What is this? It is a snake. For snake we write S. S for snake over here. Then this is the image of an elephant, right? For elephant, which alphabet? E for elephant. Then we have which word? Ant. See, this is ant. It can also bite us, right? So for ant we write A. Now which word did we make? SEAC. So that word let us write in the blank. SEAC. Then the next images that we have are over here. So can you identify this image? Yes, let us identify the image. Here are again 4 images. So 10 seconds. You can just think for 10 seconds. Your time starts now. This is something which we can eat. This is something which flies in the sky. Even this is something which flies with wind, and even this has flight, but it is living. These two are non-living. So your 10 seconds are over. Let us see. These are leaves. Leaves. So for leaves we write L. Then we have aeroplane. For aeroplane, what do we write? A. So let's write A over there. A for aeroplane. Then next, what image is this? This is the image of kite. For kite we write K. K for kite. Then this is the image of which bird? Do you identify which bird is this? It is eagle bird. So you might have seen eagle bird. It is very ferocious. So for eagle bird we write E. Which word have we made? LAKE. Lake. So that same word I will write it, and we will write in the blank over here. LAKE. Lake. Then see this bird. Here is also a type of mammal. Here is something which helps us breathing. Here is an animal. This is something which you can see has so many legs. It has around 8 legs. Type of insect it is. So your time starts now. Just try to think what it is. See, it is a colorful bird. It has 8 legs. From this we breathe in, we breathe out. This is an animal found in the forest. So your time is over. Now we will write the answer for the first one, that is parrot. For parrot we write P. P for parrot. Then second one we have octopus. See, 8 legs it has. Octopus. Right? Then the next one is nose. We breathe in, we breathe out through our nose. So for nose we write N. And the last one is deer. That is an animal which is found in the forest. So for that we write D. D for deer. So which word did we make? We made the word P-O-N-D. Pond. P-O-N-D. Pond. So after completing this exercise, now let us see a new exercise, that is, which food am I? You have to identify the name of the food. Let us see how many of you can identify, how many of you are foodie, how many of you can get the correct answer. I will read one by one, then we'll see which food it is. So, number 1, you need me to make a sandwich or toast. See, these are the descriptions given. You have to write the name of the food. So I will know how many of you are foodie, how many of you are having a good knowledge of food. So you need me to make sandwich or toast. Which thing do we need for making sandwich or toast? Can you tell me any one thing which we need for making sandwich or toast? Yes, if you have said the answer, bread, bread. We need bread for making sandwich or toast. So here the first answer is bread. Number 2. I am yellow and people like me on their pizza. So this is yellow and people apply on pizza and it becomes very cheesy, very spicy. Which food it is? It starts with C, and if you can apply it on pizza, that is cheese. CHEESE, cheese. You can apply that food, that cheese on pizza. Right? You might be feeling hungry right now. Number 3. We are a small round red fruit. We grow on trees. So these fruits are very small and they are of red color and they are round in shape. They grow on trees. Can you name that fruit? Which is it? Small, round, red, and they grow on trees. That are cherries. So the spelling CHERRIES, cherries. CHERRIES, cherries. That's what we write over here, cherries. Number 4. We are made from potatoes and taste great with ketchup. So what do we make with potato? And we eat that with ketchup. And mostly all of you like that. What do you call that thing which we make from potato and we eat that with ketchup? That is chips. So the spelling CHIPS, chips. We call it potato chips. I hope you have eaten potato chips and you know how it tastes. Potato chips. Then we have number 5. Eat us fried, boiled or scrambled. You can fry, you can boil it, you can scramble it, and then you can eat. You know it is of white color from outside. What is it? It is egg. So the spelling EGGS, eggs. EGGS, eggs. Number 6. We are very small, round, green vegetable. Can you name it? Very, very small and they are round in shape, they are green in color. Which vegetable it is? Yes, do you remember the name of that vegetable? Peas. 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 They are small, round in shape, green in color. So, peas. Number 7. I am white and I make your coffee sweet. So this is something which is white in color. When you put it in coffee, when you put it in your tea, it will taste very sweet. It will give sweetness to your coffee or to your tea. Which thing is that gives sweetness to coffee? That is sugar. 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 And we put it over here, number 7. Then number 8. Children like me with their cereals. Cats just love me. So children, they drink this glass of liquid which is given along with the cereals in the morning, and cats just love this thing. It is white in color and cats love it madly. What it is? MILK, milk. MILK, milk. Then number 9. I am popular fast food with a sausage in the middle. So, it is like a fast food, like how you eat pizza, burger, like that fast food it is. and in the middle there is sausage, and it is a very big type of, there are two breads on the top and at the bottom. In between there is sausage, and it is a fast food, very popular. People like it. You know what it is? It is very hot, right? It is hot dog, HOT, then DOG, hot dog. It is hot dog. I hope you know what it is. Then, number 10, I am black hot drink. Black, and it is hot, steaming, black hot drink. That is coffee. That is the spelling you have to write COFFE. Coffee. Hot black drink. Coffee. Then number 11. I am delicious fried, grilled, roasted meat. It is very delicious, means very yummy, very tasty. You can fry it, you can grill it, or you can roast. You can roast it. It is the meat, means non-veg food. You eat it a lot. You all know what it is. Very delicious and tasty food. CHICKEN, chicken, right? Number 12. Rabbits just love this vegetable. Which is that vegetables? Which is that vegetable that rabbit loves a lot? It is a root vegetable. It is slightly reddish, orangish in color, and it also has leaves on the top. It gives you a lot of energy. It is good for your eyesight, and mostly you can say rabbits love that food. It is carrot. CARROTS. Carrots. Rabbits just love it. Carrots. Then number 13. I am a long yellow fruit. Long yellow fruit, and it is very good for our health, right? It is long and yellow. It gives us calcium. You know what it is? Banana. 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 Long yellow fruit. We are small fruit, and it can be used for making wine. That small fruit which is used for making wine, that are called grapes. 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 Then, next. I am yellow and sweet. People sometimes put me in their tea. So what is of yellow color? It is very sweet, and people also put that thing inside the tea. While drinking the tea, people use that thing which is of yellow color, and it is sweet in taste. You know, it starts with H. It starts with H. H for horse. So do you know what thing it is? It is honey. 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 Then next. I am cold and sweet. I am especially eaten in summer. So very favorite food of all the children, of all the adults. And in summer season we eat that thing a lot. It is cold, we have to keep it in the freezer. It is also sweet in taste. Mostly we eat this thing after having dinner or after having lunch. What is it? Ice cream. ICE, then CREAM. Ice cream. Next. I am a round fruit. I am usually green or red. So mostly it is of red color. Mostly it is of red color, and it is a round fruit. And when you eat that fruit once in a day, then the doctor will be away. Which fruit it is? Apple. 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 An apple a day keeps doctor away. I am a juicy tropical fruit. I have sweet yellow flesh. So that is also like apple, but it is which type of fruit? Juicy, and it is sweet yellow flesh it has. So it is not apple, but it is pineapple. 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 I hope you have eaten pineapple and you know that it has sweet yellow flesh. Let us learn about some facts, some scientific facts. That is, your general knowledge will increase. So you can write this. An octopus, 8 legs it has. So this is an octopus. Octopus will eat its own arms if it gets really hungry. Do you know hungry means when you are very hungry means you want to eat something, you cannot control yourself, you are really very hungry. At that time, when octopus is hungry, it can also eat the arms. It has 8. So octopus can eat its own arms. When it is hungry, when it is really hungry, it can also eat its own arms. See, snail. I hope you have seen this snail. A snail can sleep for 3 years. How much time? For 3 years, a snail can go to sleep. Even this fact you should write down. Can we sleep for 3 years constantly? No, but a snail can. Then, an octopus has 3 hearts and the color of its blood is blue. As we have just seen, this is octopus. We also saw over here octopus. It has 3 hearts. We have only one, but it has 3 hearts and the color of the blood is blue. Our blood is red color, but octopus has blue color blood. Dolphins sleep with only half of their brain and with one eye open so they can watch for the predators and other threats. So when dolphins are sleeping, they keep one eye open and one eye closed so that they can be safe from the other animals in the sea. So dolphins sleep only with one eye closed and one eye is open. Seahorses are the only animals in which male, not the female, gives birth and care for the young one. So these are seahorses. In this kind of animals, males will give the birth to the young ones, not the females. So in today's video, we had a lot of fun. First of all, we solved this exercise. Write the first letter from the picture which is shown over here. So we wrote all the answers like coal, iron, talc, ruby, dust, sea, lake and pond. Then we identified the names of the food and there we completed the exercise. And also we learned about some scientific facts. I hope you enjoyed today's video. We will soon start with the new chapter. Till then, all of you have to take care of yourselves. You have to keep watching the videos regularly and keep your surroundings neat and clean. Thank you for watching my video.